Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margaon, Vasco and Porvorim.
दिसांतर सरकार एक क्लियर कट प्लॅन घेवन लोकां फुडें येना. आमी कशें ICU ऑन करतले, कशें ट्रॉमा खातीर फॅसिलिटी आसतली, हें जर सरकार येना जाल्यार आमी सगळे पक्ष एक जावन आमी हो हॉस्पिटल हो इशू घेवन सावथ गोवा हालयतले. वर्क इन कोऑर्डिनेशन विथ ऑल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज to see that South Goa people get justice within 15 days if they don't come out with a clear solution. Today what we have observed that infrastructure asa, today infrastructure asun sarkar te implement म्हळ्यार ते working conditionan दवरना with a plan to hand this entire hospital over to some private party. This may be the intention. If the government is not having this intention, they should make everything operational. Within 15 days they should have a plan. I am writing a letter to the Chief Secretary. I will send a copy of which each one of it. Chief Secretary, because he is the functional administrative head of the government. Vishwajit Rane is health minister. Whether he takes note of this or not, I don't know. But एक बात तुका तकलेन दवर, ह्या हॉस्पिटलाचेर 15 दिसाचे फुडें जर दुर्लक्ष सरकार करता जाल्यार सरकारची दिवाळी बरी तितली बरी जावची ना.